Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today we're unboxing the Marilyn Martyouze bi-monthly romance and rewards box. So this is a audiobook subscription. They do also have a book for a box for mothers and a lingerie box. This is the audiobook. So each box contains 2 audiobooks and a curated box of bonus surprises. They're $58 bi-monthly. I don't know what's in here. We are basically, I'm clueless how this works. So my romantic audiobook and rewards box, something in here smells like maple syrup or honey or something. I think it's honey. I had never heard of this company, so this is all new. Thank you, and please enjoy your Pamper Box contents. Each box is carefully packed with items to bring a slice of romance and lots of enjoyment to you until your next box. And then there's a contact information. Oh, it says, oh, that's cute. It tells you who packed your box. This box was packed for Ashley by Chinello. Welcome, we value your membership. And you get 1 free year subscription to Elle Magazine. I will take that. Ooh, because I love me some Elle Magazine. Your box theme is historical. And then they give you like the definition of historical, of or concerning history. Past events belonging to the past, not the present, especially of a novel or movie set in the past. And then let me show you guys, because this, I was so right. Oh my gosh. By the way, how cute is this? Look at the red puffs, the little peanuts. So the first item, I'm just going to pull this out, is Honey and Oats Cleansing Bar Soap. This is what I'm smelling. This is honey. I have a good nose. This sniffer, it works. This is a huge bar. This is from 2 Oceans, Cape Town. It's a 7.9 ounce soap bar. That's huge. That is massive. All right, then we have uniquely handmade pretty picture gifts, Blaine, Washington, USA. Oh, it's a compact. Oh, how gorgeous is this? Oh, it says Paris on it. So here's the picture. It's like a very old-timey. And then you pop it open and you've got a compact. Neat. Oh, torpedo. I love it. Oh my God, I love this kind of stuff. All right. So here's what I believe is our audiobook. Lisa Kleypas' Mine Till Midnight. Brilliance audio and compact disc. So you can listen to this in your car rides while you're just sitting, if you commute like on a train and whatever. There's that. And then our other one is Diana Palmer Lacey. Ooh, so this is a New York Times and USA Today best-selling author. So this is Lacey. I'll look, and if you're interested in the full review, I'm going to link to that below, where I'll tell you a little bit more about each of these books once I look them up. I'll also link to Marilyn Martyouze so you can check her out. All right, next we have Victoria's Secret perfume. Ooh, what scent is this? Scandalous. That's not, I don't think that's what I'm smelling. What are the notes? Take sexy to the edge. This is raspberry liqueur, black peony, and praline. So this is going to be like a soft, sweet smell. I love the packaging. Isn't it pretty? Anything from Victoria's Secret's packaged well. All right, so our final item here. Is this bubble bath? I hope it is. So this is Angel Monaro Exquisite. Oh, no, it's, ooh, African Kiss body oil. So is this like for massage? That's, I've told you guys before, massage is currency in my home. My husband and I will make bets, and the bets are like 10-minute back rubs. Okay, so pour a few drops into the palm of your hand, rub your hands together, and apply all over your body to condition, hydrate, moisturize, and reveal supple skin. It can be used as a bath oil as well by adding a few drops into warm bath water and soaking to enjoy a relaxing and moisturizing bath. So of course, I want to smell it. It's African Kiss. What would the notes be on that? Huh, I'm curious. Ooh, this box is decadent. I like it. Oh, it's like, oh, I don't even know the notes. It's like kind of fruity, but also like floral. Ooh, it's super pretty. So that is everything that I received in this box. We've gotten the, oh, look, there's little pipe cleaner hearts. How cute is that? So we got the body oil, the perfume, the soap bar, I love it, the little compact, and the 2 audiobooks. I love this box. What do you guys think? Do you listen to audiobooks? Tell me your thoughts below. As always, thank you guys for watching. If you're interested in my full review, I'll link to that. I'll also link to them so you can check them out. I'll see you next time.